How you guys doing? Wow, if I had a mannequin, you guys would really appreciate the styles more. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today. My name is Osereme, and if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. Now I have to quickly ask you guys, like those of you that are always having deadlines, how do you cope? Because this was just my first time having a deadline, having to finish up a dress in like a couple of hours, and it was hectic for me. You can see how my eyes are looking right now. I'm so tired. I actually started making this dress yesterday in the afternoon, and I finished them this morning. I think it's about 10 a.m. right now, and I'm through with them. Let me just share with you guys the styles that I made with them. The thing is, I'm actually not very excited today because I actually wanted to make tutorial videos with these dresses, only to get a call that are they ready? I'm like, Jesus Christ, I'm not even doing anything. And considering that my machine is actually electric, if there's no light, I cannot sew. That was just one thing that delayed me making this dress. So I just wanted to share these styles. So the very first one is this beautiful top right here. It's a peplum top. So this is how the end of it look like, and this dress actually would look really nice on a mannequin, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to hold it for you guys to see. So you can see the way the front is. It has this, so it has a zipper in the middle, and then the flare just came from this part with this really nice curve right here. So if you are wondering why this flare is standing like this, it's because I added something called crinoline. It actually makes flare stand very well. And for the neckline, it's just a simple bishop neckline, and then obviously the zipper is in front, as you've seen. You see how nice this looks. This will look very nice. And then the sleeve is just a simple sleeve. So this is the very first one, and if there's anything I love about this is the fabric. It's really nice. I love beautiful fabrics, you guys already know that, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is just nice. And for the skirt, oh wow. And for the skirt of this, it was actually a 6 pieces, and I know a lot of you guys will be like, film 6 pieces. Actually, a lot of you have said it in the comment section that you wanted me to film like a 6 pieces skirt tutorial video. I wanted to use this for it, but unfortunately I could not. So let me just share with you what it looks like after I was done. So the owner of this dress actually was particular about having elastic on one side of the waist, which is what we have here. So we have a normal band and then elastic on the side. So this is what our 6 pieces skirt looks like. You can see the end is so full. See how full it is at the end, and then we come down to the top. Really nice, really nice. I actually love this and how it came out. I actually wish I could do a tutorial for this. And most times actually, why I really wanted to use this is, first of all, I don't want a 6 pieces skirt for myself, and most things that I post on the channel are just stuff that I've made for myself. That's why when some people are like, make this particular thing, it's hard for me, because that means I have to get a fabric and sew something that will end up not putting on. You guys, you get. So that's that for the 6 pieces skirt and blouse. So the owner of the dress was like, if anything remained from what I made there, that's the top and skirt, we should make this really cute. Like, this is like my favorite of them all actually. So this is a dress. This is a simple shift dress. Is it a shift dress? I don't know. It's a free dress though. So it's almost like that 3-layered dress that I made, but mine was pleated. It's the same idea you would just apply to this. So this is the first layer, and then we have the actual fabric as the second layer, and then the end of it is the crepe. So this fabric is a crepe. So you see the sleeve, it's like a bishop sleeve, just a simple bishop sleeve with a band that is tieable on the side. So this is really pretty. If I had a mannequin, you guys would really appreciate the styles more, because they are very, very nice simple styles. And then for the other set of fabric, which is this blue fabric, so the top is a very simple one. As you've noticed, these are actually just flat dresses. There is no bustier or anything. They are just really flat simple dresses. So this is just another peplum, but this one does not have that crinoline thing that I was talking about just now. So this is just very simple. I just pleated a double layer of fabric, as you can see, and you can see how neat the inside is looking. You know, my sewing just always has to be neat. See the inside of this. I don't like when I sew something and it's just looking weird. It's just looking weird on the inside. It's never my thing. So this is this, and this is the sleeve. So it's a simple flare sleeve like this, and I know a lot of you don't even know how to make this kind of sleeve. I might share a link to a video that my sister made on how to make this type of a sleeve. So if you're interested in seeing that, so this is this simple top. Let me go back. I think it's clearer when I do that. So this is this simple top, really nice top. The last but not the least is this simple pencil skirt. So that's what we have for this dress. This is the back. So it's a simple long pencil skirt with a slit at the back. So you can see how neat our slit looks. That's all. This is it. So this is a very simple skirt. So if you would like for me to maybe later, not right now, share a tutorial video of how you can make any of this, you can just tell me in the comment section which one you would like me to make. Maybe it's the one how to attach a crinoline to a peplum, or how to cut a 6-piece skirt, or maybe how to sew a peplum generally, or you want me to share how to sew a 6 pieces. That one a lot of you have asked already. So whichever one you want me to do in the comment section, please let me know. So these are all the work I've been doing between yesterday afternoon and this morning, and I feel like honestly I really tried. If I know how to sleep in the afternoon, I'm sure today I would have slept this whole afternoon because I'm so tired. So thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Hi guys, so look at my sister. She was really helpful. I don't know what's going on with her hair, but at least while I was sewing, while I was doing the sewing, she was helping to iron out and do all the. She was always complaining that you don't stress me with your work. Don't stress me. But at least she was. At the end of the day, you are the one. What's your name? Come and say hi. You don't want to say hi. Say hi. No, come and say hi. Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. 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 How are you guys doing? How you guys doing? I said bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now you want to show yourself. Hold this close. When you are short. Anyway. Hi. I'll tell them your name. I'm gonna say you want to say hi. Tell them your name now. I come and show them your fine hair. You're so short, oh. I'm not understanding. Yeah, hi. How you guys doing? Tell them hi.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Hi guys doing?
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe
To the channel.
to the channel.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.